Greetings, my friend. Are you here to learn how to crack the code to your real estate success? Fantastic. I'm Mark McInerney, President and CEO of CodeMark Financial. Here, we teach realtors just like you how to become a mortgage money genius. Today, we're going to talk about loan programs, the most important piece of all of this. Sit back, relax. 3, 2, 1. Off we go.
I just wanna be your superstar, 'cause it's not where you are, it's where you are.
All right, so let's see what exactly we are talking about here in terms of loan programs. Fact of the matter is, the only way to purchase a house is with a loan. Well, I should take that back. There are obviously plenty of people that are liquid enough to purchase houses cash, but even those that are quite savvy inside of their finances know that lending money or borrowing money, especially at incredibly low interest rates, makes a lot more sense than tying up one's liquidity inside of, well, a fixed commodity such as a home. So, since you're here and most people you're going to probably be working with are going to need a mortgage, let's take a look and see at what those loan programs are. Some of these you may know about, and we're actually going to get incredibly detailed inside what each one of these offer, and we're actually going to be changing the script on what all of this looks like, because we're going to go out in the field to possibly one of your listings. Hit me up if you'd like for your house to be showcased, to show you what these loan programs can do inside of these certain price points. Blah, 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 blah. You could hit rewind and it would probably sound just about the same. So let's move on. Loan program number 1 in most cases is conventional. There's a conventional loan that most people generally want to qualify for, is not always the easiest one to qualify for, but is typically the easier one that will go through an underwriting process. The bar on conventional loans is held kind of high. Again, we're going to get into those particulars, but this is what most people look to go and obtain when trying to qualify for a mortgage. Now, if they can't qualify for a conventional loan, the next loan would be an FHA loan. And an FHA loan is just an easier loan that someone can qualify for if they might be, let's say, have a softer credit score. Softer credit score meaning anything that might be below 700 or even maybe below 600, and may not have all the money that they're needing in terms of what they want to qualify and bring for a down payment. An FHA loan would be very ideal for them. Third loan, and not everybody qualifies for this one, is a VA loan. Now, a VA loan would require for, well, someone to be a veteran or married to a veteran to be able to qualify for that loan program. And it is specific to veterans, of course. Thank you for your service. Well, because of that. That is one of the perks inside of the overall packages that the government offers our men and women of service is a VA loan, just as they also get a GI Bill for college education and the likes. These are going to be your 3 core loan programs that most people are going to seek you out for in terms of when they purchase a house. Now, it is worth noting, and again, we will talk about these in more detail, that in today's day and age, there are other forms of lending as well. There is hard money, typically reserved for investors. There is also non-QM. And non-QM is going to have a couple of other subtext to it. A lot of this is for someone that could be self-employed. Remember, we were talking about self-employed income in our last episode. So this is a possible loan that could be someone for you or any of your other entrepreneurial friends. And then, of course, we have in this great country that everybody wants to come in and enjoy the liberties of what we pursue here in terms of the American dream. We can have loans for what are considered foreign nationals. Foreign nationals may be somebody that has not quite made it here to the U.S. and gotten their residency and their citizenship, but are moving here perhaps on a work visa or live out of country and have a business here and are establishing residency here, but yet on paper aren't fully buttoned up with Social Security numbers and those types of things. A foreign national loan program would be for them. So next time, we're going to start breaking down each of these loans. In the meantime, take a quick minute to take a look at exactly what all of this is. You see, my friend, the loan programs are basically, well, let's say those are the bullets. Because when you understand the mortgage game, well, that is the overall weapon. But to be able to fire off and know how to speak to your buyers. And look, guys, this is also for sellers, okay? You know, sellers are usually selling their house to buy the next house, and they usually just assume, well, I have a house, I can certainly qualify for the next one. Not so much. But when you have that conversation and you have this mental knowledge of understanding how taking proceeds from the sale of a house to apply to the next one, and you can say, you know what, I think you would qualify for a conventional loan, pew, or an FHA loan, pew, pew. Well, there's a new sheriff in town, and that would be you, my friend. So you're going to continue to watch, and I'm going to ask you to do me a favor, because this is very important to make other people equally as lethal as you in understanding this, because this is just going to make for a better home buying, selling experience for your client, our mutual client. So like, share, comment, and you, my friend, are on your way to becoming a mortgage money genius. I'm Mark McInerney, President and CEO of CodeMark Financial. We'll see you next time.